Welcome to the math area of MyWorks. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Kelly. Okay, you could be thinking, my child's going to learn 1 to 10, and that's true, they will. What is very special about the Montessori math curriculum is the number 1 really is just a symbol. A 3-year-old is going to get the concept with Montessori math that 1 is small, 10 is big. They're going to understand concepts long before any kind of numeration is introduced to them.
And how we begin to explain this concept would be back in the sensorial area of the classroom. All of the works in sensorial, most of them, deal with 10, amounts of 10. There are 10 cubes in the pink tower. There are 10 rods in the red rods. Each of the knobless cylinders and the colored cylinders also have 10. So that is where we begin to talk about numbers and quantities and the concepts of these quantities with young children.
Montessori knew that children learned by doing. Well, math, when we learned, was taught very abstractly. You just had to trust that 3 times 5 is 15. But in the Montessori classroom and with Montessori math, children learn to love numbers. They understand fractions because they're building the fractions. They understand multiplication. We have 4-year-olds in our classroom who understand the concepts of multiplication because it's not abstract.
Our lessons in the math area build on each other with MyWorks, just as they do in the other areas. We start with small concepts, 1 through 10, what represents 1, the numeral that represents it, but also the quantity, holding it in their hand. It's very concrete. They hold 1, they hold 2, and see how it feels differently from holding 10 in their hands. We talk about the concept of odd and even, multiplication, subtraction, fractions. All of these help the children to understand in a concrete way basic math concepts.
What we're hoping with MyWorks and the Montessori curriculum is to be able to provide your child with the excitement and the love for learning and for mathematics. Welcome to MyWorks.